Basic text reveal tutorial in Premiere Pro. Let's see demo. This is the demo, right? Now let's make it. Create a text at first. Go to effect controls, top here. You will see text here, right? Just expand it and click this free draw bezier tool. A mask will be created here, right? You are seeing here. Go to text, just select a letter, right? Just make a mask around a single letter, right? Like this. Finished, right? As shown in the video. Bring this to front of the first letter. Go to effect control, then click this toggle animation button, right? Just make it on. Now go to your text where you want to reveal the final text. Just place the slider over there. Go to effect controls and click this mask 1 and just bring it to the end of the text. Now go to effect control. You are seeing mask feather. Just change the value to 70, 80, right? 90. I'm placing 80. Now let's play and check.